Hi everyone and happy Tutorial Tuesday. Yep, we're back with another tutorial on our new website. So today we're going to be entering our About section. So let's get into it. When you visit clintonsavings.com, the last option on the main menu bar is About. When you click on that, you'll see all the different categories. We have a whole section about our bank, including our history, team, refer a friend program, leaving a review, and career opportunities here at CSB. The locations is another way to get the listing of all our branch addresses, hours, and contact information. We also have our community section and a quick contact link where you can submit a short form and be contacted by the appropriate member of our team to assist you with your question. Now, let's get into our blog section. If you scroll down on this page, you'll see there are tons of blogs about everything banking, from scams to HELOCs. You'll notice that the menu bar has changed and now includes all of the items in the About section. If you want to get back to the main menu, just click on Personal in the upper left-hand corner, but we'll click on CSB in the News. Here, we have all of our press releases, helping you stay in the loop with all things CSB. Then, one of my favorites is our success stories. These are real reviews from real customers and their experiences with Clinton Savings. Well, we hope that was helpful, and as always, we'll see you next week.